Hi, my name is Aurelio Fernandez, and I recently retired. I used to be the president and CEO of Memorial Healthcare System here in Broward County. And I was familiar with the foundation's mission because we were very active through Memorial Healthcare System. So I knew the value that it brought to the community. So having time in my hands, I felt that it was a good option for me to get out of the house and see what I can do to help others in the community. I've lived in Broward County since 1987. I became much more active for the last 15 years as my role in healthcare changed. And I see that there comes a point in time in everyone's life that you have to say, okay, life's been good to me, what can I do to help the community? I grew up in Miami-Dade County. I'm Cuban. I was born in Cuba. Came here to this country in 1961. In 1987, I was working at a hospital in Broward County, and I lived in Miami. And I said, that commute it's not gonna happen anymore. So we ended up moving the family. I have 4 sons, and it's the best place to raise kids. It is a close-knit community, even though we're almost 2 million people. It does have a purpose. I believe the foundation adds to that purpose. From a business community standpoint, I do believe that there's a lot of collaboration between different enterprises to do what's right for the community. I appreciate that, and that's why I think raising a family here was the best thing that could have happened to both my wife and I. Well, one of the things growing up in Miami in the early 60s and 70s, the Cubans didn't have a lot of money, so you gave back by education, volunteering, and that was ingrained in our fabric since I was a young boy. I want to thank the staff. They have been extremely accommodating in providing me with anything that I've requested and make me feel at home. And anytime you're new to an organization, it is important that you feel comfortable in that organization. And this is definitely an organization that has a clear mission, and I'm going to be very proud to be part of that mission.